I think the obvious trade was, we opened, we didn't fill this gap. So it would be basically a gap and go. So I should have gotten down here, but I wasn't actually sitting here. So now I was waiting for it to break over this overnight high, make sure it wasn't just a sweep where it was just going to, break over it and then try to fill the gap. So now I'm basically, I'm just waiting for some type of retest for this overnight high. And I would have a first target of this high at 98. I think, 600 would be the obvious target. This isn't set yet, so we can't even think about this. Say around 91. That gets us in. I think I want a bigger stop on this, probably down under the around 90, and this will work. I want to see how it reacts right here at this value area high. I'm sorry, the overnight high. But you do have this halfback down here too, so we'll extend this just a little bit, just to give it a little extra room. So that puts our stop down here at 725. And our first target is going to be this 98. We'll go 97.50. $97.75. I'm going to move this one up. I know there's another level up around 610, but we'll move this up. We'll put it up there and we'll take it manually if we need to, around 609. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. We are getting that bounce off the overnight high here. That's what I was looking for. Now we need to see some extension on this A period. I know there's a value area high right at about 600, a weekly value area high. That would be an obvious level. Our entry was 91 right there. That first target would give us 27 ticks. I think, honestly, unless it's really moving, I would take them both. At least one here. 600 would be 35, but I'd probably take them both within the 600 if we get up there. So like I said, I think I would take both of these within that 600 and then, let it get through the 600 and see what, how it acts after that. We might want to test this halfback area. You can see we come down and tested this halfback. Need to see some extension on this A period. I don't really see anything in the way from here to the first target, at least. It looks like we're getting pretty good volume on this push right here. You can see on this delta chart, there's some pretty good volume in here. Let's see if, there we go. It actually broke that high from 15 minutes ago. See if they can keep going. I think that's something to notice, that we did break that high, but now we didn't take off. So I want to see this start to make some progress and not keep, falling back into this. Otherwise, I think I get out of this and look for something different. But there was quite a bit of volume on this push up that they broke that high with. See if they can keep it going here. This last bounce down was right to this overnight high. So they bought it right at it. I keep expecting one of these will take off. There's another push getting a little bit higher. That one actually pushed the high by 1 tick. Looks like it's trying to break higher. There's 16 at 95. There, we're right through the 95. I think you can protect this now. You don't want to go through another cycle down. So I know that 95 is my 16 ticks. So if we get up any higher, I'll move one up to that. But this does look like it's moving pretty good. Another little push. Take that one there at 20. See if we can get to that 600, but I'm going to keep moving my stops up. Got to the 97. Looks like they might be front running this level just a little bit. Should be some buying right here. Stop is sitting right there at this point. can see on this delta chart, there's some buying right here. From there to there. Here's that same shaded area on the market profile chart. That's really the only thing keeping me in this. Otherwise, I would take this 95. To see if we get one more push. I took that first one at 20. That was here at the 95.75. Comes the B period. You can see it bounced out of this area. And look at that delta chart again right here. You can see how this come down into this and they started buying it again. Now we need B period to finish this push. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Give it one more shot. Otherwise, we'll take it here at our 16 ticks. Right there. So we got one at 20 and one at 16. We'll look for this to pull back into here somewhere. Maybe we can take it again.